Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we have another sneak peek at a possible future spoiler. Another one, y'all. I just put one of these out yesterday. Now this is going to be for the BoxyCharm box, and again, it's not confirmed what box, what month it's going to be in. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I enjoy, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now guys, to read the first comment on my last video. Congratulations, Tally Ryer. Tally says, thank you for sharing. Well, Tally, thank you so much for having your bell on and taking the time to watch and comment on my videos. And I love you so much. Now guys, if you yourself want to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment on this here video. You got 1 out of 2 chances. You could either set your bell and try to be first comment, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I picked. Alright guys, now let's just dive straight in. Now I'll show you a little bit of what we seen yesterday. These are the Dose of Color palettes. Now there is 6 different palettes. There is Blushing Berries, Snow Angel, Sassy Siennas, Pretty Cool, Baked Browns, and Marvelous Mauves. Now those may be variation palettes in a future box. Again, not specified. These are not confirmed. But today we found something a whole lot more exciting, I think. Now this might be a possible sneak peek at a future BoxyLuxe spoiler. So you never know. So I'm going to show you Joe's clip on his Instagram and see if y'all spot it. Then I'll come back.
This box from Gerard Cosmetics. This is the setting spray that Gerard Cosmetics has with Rich Luxe. Thank you so much, guys.
Alright guys, now if y'all didn't spot those 2 things in the side of his video, I'll go ahead and show you what it is. It is the Natasha Denona Cranberry Palette. Now if you remember, a while back I put out a possible future spoiler because he was showing a Natasha Denona makeup stand or something. I don't know what he was showing, but remember I showed y'all that video. Now here it is. There is a Natasha Denona, that cranberry palette, sitting right there off to the side in his video. And there's also a white box, and I don't know what this white box could be. I mean, do y'all recognize it? If you do, comment below. And again guys, if they reveal anything else, I will keep you guys updated. So what do y'all think? Y'all think this might be a future spoiler or what? And as always, BoxyCharm will be linked below if you want to go check him out. Now guys, to read the pick comment from my last video. Congratulations, Laura Dennis. Laura says, hi Mandy. I have never even heard of Yes Oh Yes until I got with you. I'm making this my birthday gift to myself this week. I'll be 45 on the 10th. I'm banking up on all the products. Well, Laura, happy early birthday, babe. I just had to pick your comment and give you some birthday wishes. And I really appreciate you taking the time to comment and watch my videos. And I love you so much. And again, if you yourself want a shout out, make sure you leave a comment on this here video. And guys, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. I mean, YouTube is unsubscribing everybody. I don't know why this is happening. But make sure you're still subscribed. I mean, why wouldn't you? It's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that subscribe button. Then rate the video, guys. Well, you only really got one choice. You got to hit that thumbs up button because the thumbs down button quit working a long time ago. I mean, really, it just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking. One more tiny thing before you guys head out. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set to on. I don't want y'all missing no more spoilers. And I don't want to see no comments down there saying, oh, I missed the last spoilers. Because if you had your bell set, you wouldn't have missed them. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. I love you so much. Bye, guys.